Have you ever imagined what powers these amazing AI features in your phones or self-driving cars have? The answer lies in a small, ultra-powerful chips, but there is a problem. They are prohibitively expensive. Welcome to Simple Technology Channel. Today we will explore the world of AI chips, their high cost and the challenges of global chip shortage, as well as discuss the current state of the development of AI chips. Our phones and devices have ultra-small, ultra-powerful computer chips. They are vital to everything running and are even getting smarter to power cool AI stuffs. But the problem is that making of these super advanced chips is very expensive, which is much more than the common average chips. The high cost means that not everyone can afford them, which is slowing down the development of the great AI technologies. And the high cost means fewer businesses can use them, which means AI cannot be used everywhere it could be helpful. Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing our world, from facial recognition on your phone to self-driving cars. Right now, extremely expensive chips can only be used for the things that can make lot of money, like self-driving cars, rather than other potential amazing uses. This is an important component behind their revolution, and this is AI chips. The good news is that the people are working on making these chips cheaper, which could open the doors for more AI advancement and new technologies in the future. Unlike traditional CPUs, AI chips are specifically designed to accelerate the performance of AI algorithms, which serves as the brain power behind this intelligent machine. According to Moore's law, the number of transistors on a microchip doubles approximately every 2 years. This translates to the exponential growth in the computing power at a relatively constant cost. Moore's law has been driving force behind the technology advancement we see today. Global chip shortage, a hurdle in the progress. Between year 2012 and 2022, the amount of computing power required for AI models is expected to increase by about 1 million%. The global chip shortage began in early 2020, compounded by pre-existing issues such as COVID-19 pandemic, shifting demand, that is the demand for the devices like the laptop and the tablets, to skyrocket as the shift toward the remote working and online learning. The shortage of chips started in early 2020s, and it was clear that the peak shortage was around 2021. This reduction has peaked after 2024. Frankly speaking, the situation has entered a plateau. This means that the shortage has not gone away completely, but it is not getting worse either. But the chips are still not dense enough in their computing powers to the modern needs. AI models have exploded in the size, and that means that the AI chips need to become more efficient at doing math and managing and moving data. The plateau. If we have powerful chips, they can revolutionize the technology. Battery life can be increased with powerful processing, and special functionalities can also be included in it. Many companies are at the forefront of developing better chips, but each has slightly different approaches. That's why leading AI chips companies do not compete in the same way. Industry giants like Intel and TSMC, that is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, focuses on overall performance. Samsung and Qualcomm are constantly pushing the boundaries of a chip performance and efficiency. NVIDIA dominates GPU for AI training. Talking about Myriad, it deals with computer vision, and Graphcore prefers efficient chips. Even more specialized companies like Cambricon design chips for the task like facial recognition. When choosing an AI chips, there is no one-size-fits-all is the answer. Application, performance, and cost matters when finding the right option for the project. Therefore, it is very important to invest heavily in the research and development to create the next generation processors. Companies like NVIDIA, Intel, Amazon, Movidius, Graphcore, Myriad, and Cambricon are absolutely considered leading AI chips companies which are excel in their many aspects. India is relatively new in the chip development game as compared to the established players, but it is taking important steps forward. The Indian government launched a program in December 2021 with 76,000 crores, that is about $9.3 billion, to promote domestic chips manufacturing and display production. This initiative provides incentives to the company to set up chip fabrication plants and other related facilities. By February 2024, India has approved proposal for 3 new semiconductors fabrication units, including a collaboration between Tata Group and Taiwan company. India's recent success in approving new fabrication units represents a major step toward a future with more geographically diverse and potential lower barrier to AI chip production. The current chip production bottleneck is not the end point. Governments are building new factories and chip designs are innovative with 3D stacking and new materials for more powerful in smaller chips. Alternative manufacturing methods like chiplets can also provide faster production. We see the future of breaking this progress plateau and unlocking a future full of powerful AI chips. The majority of chips. The demand for these chips is skyrocketing, but the competition is also the same. As March 2024, most chips, also called semiconductors, are manufactured in East Asia. About 70% of global semiconductors are fabricated by East Asia, especially Taiwan, South Korea, and China. 13% is mainly contributed by the United States, next 13% by Japan, and the rest of Europe. Due to its head start, East Asia is the forefront in chip fabrication, where government support is the 70s and early 80s along with ongoing incentives and strong religion ecosystem. This advantage will not easily be surpassed by America and Europe, which is currently increasing their domestic production efforts. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company (TSMC) is a global leader in chip manufacturing. They do not design the chips themselves but manufactures them based on the designs of other companies. Due to their advanced technology and production capacity, they produce 70% of the world chips, so most of the chips are made in Taiwan. Samsung, meanwhile, is a South Korean powerhouse that is a major player in both chip design and manufacturing. Dominance in the chip production can be partly attributed to the government support and infrastructure development. Recognizing the strategic and economic importance of AI chip, a global race has erupted. Governments around the world are pouring billions of dollars into the development of AI chip, with China the ambitious plan for self-reliance being one of the leading countries with potential of $250 billion investment. The US Chip Act is committing $52 billion to boost domestic production, while the EU has launched a €43 billion chips initiative. India also joining the race with a $9.3 billion program. This intense competition could lead for more geographically diverse supply chain for AI chips in the future, potentially reducing dependence on any one region. However, it is important to consider the potential geopolitical tension that may arise from this competition environmentally. Focusing on a domestic chip production should not distract from the global nature of the chip design. It is important to remember that the chip design can take place anywhere in the world, while manufacturing is a current concentration in East Asia only. The US and Europe are taking steps to expand their domestic manufacturing capabilities, but it will take time for them to catch up to establish the player in Asia. The race is about more than just winning. It's about shaping the future of AI and its impact on various sectors. Conclusion. Tiny AI chips hold the key to unlocking a future powered by intelligent machines and unprecedented possibilities. But as we have seen, the journey is not without challenges. The high cost of these chips hinders widespread adoption and limits their application. The global chip shortage has hindered AI development, highlighting the need for more robust and geographically diverse supply chains. However, the future is not bleak. Advance in chip design and efforts to increase production capabilities provide promising solutions. The separation of chip design, which can take place anywhere, and manufacturing, which is currently concentrated in East Asia, presents interesting possibilities for collaboration. Ultimately, the race for the AI chip supremacy is just not about winning, it's about unleashing the potential of artificial intelligence to revolutionize the various sectors, from healthcare and transportation to manufacturing and entertainment. As we move forward, a focus of international collaboration, responsible innovation, and affordability will be critical to ensure everyone benefits from the power of AI chips. This is the beginning of AI chips revolution. The future holds immense potential, and the little chips at its center will continue to be driving force behind this existing technology's transformation. And the race for its development is a story with global implications. We are committed to keeping you in step with the ever-evolving world of science and technology. So, as we move forward, we will continue to explore what lies ahead. If you find this video useful, then please do not forget to like this video. Your support motivates us to create more informative and practical content. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates on various topics, from the latest breakthroughs in technologies to emergent discussions. Until then, stay tuned because this is just the beginning.